Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1971 Triumph Tr6 that we have on offer. Carmine red, black interior, black cloth soft top, newer tires, very, very good driver, showing 97,000 miles. Pretty good little car, older restoration. Paintwork is pretty good. It is showing a few fine micro blisters up close, but from 5-10 feet here, the car looks fabulous. Really nice set of wheels and tires on it. Really good gaps. It's fitted with that beautiful cloth soft top. It's a 4-speed car. It's fitted with Webers and kind of a custom sports Anza exhaust system, which was real popular during the day. Suspension on the car sits really well. You can check out the driving video we have. Really good windshield glass, windshield rubber. Yeah, really nice re-chromed front bumper on the car. Super good honest gaps all the way around. Just trying to come around here slowly, show you guys everything. Check out the undercarriage photos, pretty good solid underneath. And it's had some light chassis black paintwork applied. But yeah, really handsome, early, good driver condition TR6 here in its original factory color scheme of carmine red, black interior, black cloth soft top, excellent carpets, excellent original seats, pretty good dashboard. But yeah, take a look at all the still photos. And I've taken this out for a drive. It's a really strong performer out on the road with those twin Weber carbs. But yeah, if you're in the market for a really decent driver, TR6, an early model in good colors, is a really decent one right here. And once again, 1971 Triumph TR6 Convertible, carmine red, black interior. It's fitted with these handsome, slightly oversized tires, 4-speed, black cloth top, nicely reupholstered trunk area. Pretty clean engine bay, but it's fitted with Webers and a sports exhaust. And you can check out our driving video. Really nice little car, www.kurttannermotorcars. And check out our other offerings too.